go spend money to repair your laptop. Come closer. Come, let me show you some secrets. When you are using your laptop, your PC, your personal computer, you don't put your computer and your laptop on top of a bed or a phone. When you are doing so, you are damaging your hard drive. That is why you keep spending money on your laptop. You don't know what it costs. And you take the repairer, they charge you money. After some time, you go back again and still need and they still charge you much money. No. What you do as you are using your laptop, always look for a table. A hard table. Put your laptop on it. When you're operating your laptop, don't make sure that that table does not have foam. If the table happens to have foam, what you do, look for a plastic, a very strong plastic. Put the laptop on top before start pressing it. That is one part. Another part, when you put on your laptop, on it, and you know that your laptop is making noise, don't be scared. Don't take it to a repairer and spend money because the fault is just is hard drive. What you should do, open the back of the laptop, you open it, you remove the hard drive. As you remove the hard drive, like this, then you open it, put the component, then you remove the hard drive. What is it you do? You see the sensor, you look for a dry rag, or if you have spirit, you look for a cotton bud. You go clean the surface, and you clean the surface, then you insert it back, insert it carefully. Then you insert it, then you on it. You see the lens disappeared.